said defend it. What you mean?
Rush the man, brother.
Rush. What the... Brother, what you said to me?
Marcus bodyguard fix him up.
Broke him up?
No. Just thump up him face away.
Oh. Shit, no, you take the champagne. Shit! So, what you trying to say now? Quick end up, go. Quick go defend it. Quick go off my bodyguard.
Brother, that's not even the worst part like that. The man no make me know nothing, brother. And that hurt me in a youth.
Now you tell brother. Brother. Quick need to let go that I did something there, you know, bad man. Dog, the man not see have business with they are deal with. We have business at foreign, we have business at yard, bro. But don't get over them. Tell us more about him, dog.
Brother, we put the man for supervise the business, you know, brother. I mean, I tell you, dog, I say, yo, yeah, because this can, you know what I mean? You don't know we are trying to change the dog life on certain things we're used to do, brother. But out of all of the things what the man do, dog, I actually not even know this can mash up everything what we are do for the community.
Brother, quick, serious? Oh, the man.
Yeah, boss, me here, man. I find a good thing, you know?
Alright, chief. Bless up yourself.
Yeah, man, boss.
Bless up yourself.
Up.
So really, politician bodyguard. The man not see a suicide. Oh, the man forgot for. Jesus Christ, brother.
A bigger suicide than you think, you know, brother. You know who did a bodyguard Marcus tonight there? Savage.
Which savage that, dada?
Bad boy police Savage.
Dada, tell me say a joke, you make. Tell me say a joke.
Serious like a tsunami, brother. The man try for the man, I'm on that graveside.
Brother, I'm still waiting for you to tell me say a joke, you make, brother. Brother, I'm on that graveside. Never say that turn the man in a top killer, you would.
Dog, remember say I kill the man daughter, you know, brother.
Man, I lock the ends now, you know, brother. You not come around there yet.
You forward, but you must say everything good long as we keep quick in line. You get to me and say, brother. But it's based upon the violation of quick going with dog. Me not trust a police boy.
A police that member our code, police and politician. We not trust none of them.
So I could call you and talk to you over the phone with this, brother.
Oh, we have to deal with this.
That's why I fly up come link you, know, brother. Because I tell you, say, yo, I love what I go and I got 2 police jeep I see running on the ground with you know. And I tell the people them say them can't keep nothing till summer. A big joke thing that. I'm from with your police say stop, bread but that dog 3 times for the week. They must stop the man, brother. I must a police board there send man for pray the thing, brother.